guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kristen if you are new here. And why is my phone going off right now? Bad timing. My name is Kristen if you are new here, and if you are not, thank you for coming back. So for today's episode, I'm thinking a little Jamaica inspired, or correction, Jamaican flag inspired. I am Jamaican, and I don't know, I feel like I've just been missing home a little bit these days. And by home, I mean New York, like my Jamaican family in New York. So I'm thinking something inspired by the Jamaican flag, which is black, green, and gold. So yeah, let's get started. For primer today, I'm going in with my Too Faced primer, the cooling matte one. It is like so hot, okay? So hot. And I promise you guys, everything is different in China, but the heat, that's like especially different. Like, I don't know what kind of sun they got, but it's not the same kind of sun we got over there. It's different. It's like the type of heat that makes you feel like, so this is hell. This is exactly what hell would be like. For foundation today, I'm going in with the Maybelline Fit Me foundation in 368 Deep Golden, and I'm going to apply that with my beauty sponge. Guys, I don't think there's much left. Yeah, I might be out. Like, oh wait, no, never mind. There's some stuff in here. Guys, I'm basically running out of all my foundations, and it sucks because the country is closed down, and so that means I can't get on a flight. If I leave this country, I can't come back, and I don't like to like order my foundations online. So I would love to be able to fly to Hong Kong or Malaysia and grab some foundation, obviously going for other reasons, but you know, grab that stuff while I'm there. But no, China want to be on lockdown. I'm literally stuck inside a country. This is not a way to live. It's so annoying. Anyways, I am concealing with, or I'm preparing to highlight, I should say, with my MAC Studio Finish Concealer in NC40. I used it in my last video and I forgot how much I loved it. Also, I'm applying this stuff without looking at the mirror, so this is really awkward. Watch it not be look right. Hold on. Oh, it's alright. It's alright. I forgot how oily that concealer made my skin feel, or at least my under eyes feel, and I didn't like that because I have oily skin, so I don't fuck with that. So to set my under eyes, I'm going to use the Airspun powder in translucent. $5, Walmart. You can't beat that, period. You just can't beat that. I'm going to use a sponge to push the product in, not going to bake. I say that now, but I might change my mind. Yeah. And to set the rest of my face, the Maybelline Fit Me powder in dark 40. I'm going to use a brush for this one to push it in, and then I'm going to buff it out. That makes all the difference in having that airbrush finish. Like, you can't go in on wet skin like that buffing motion on wet skin. Do not do that. Like, products will skip, it will look weird. Like, just pack it in, create like a smooth surface, and after you've created the smooth surface, then you can really buff it in, and that's how you get that airbrush finish. I'm gonna go in with my MAC Studio Fix powder in NC50 because I like the bright yellow that it has. I feel like my skin can't breathe. Like, I went ham with the powders, and I feel like my skin is like, water, need water. But we're gonna add more powder first, and then we'll do the water. To contour, I'm going to use Juvia's Place palette, the Saharan blush palette. I'm going to use Zane. I did go in with a bit of orange blush, just for a bit more added color. Now to let my skin breathe, because it literally feels like I can't breathe, the Mario Badescu spray, I'm going to drown myself, okay? Drown myself. I can't even swim. This is not even safe. I'm gonna do it anyway. I'm running out of this too. It's like literally, I'm running out of everything. Every fucking thing. I'm going to step off camera to do my brows real quick. You're gonna like, comment, and subscribe in the meantime. Like, I'm gonna do my thing, you're gonna do your thing, and we'll meet back here in like 5 seconds. Ready? Go. So the eyes are all done. I went ahead and used some pencils today. Usually I don't use pencils, but I wanted to just jump back into pencils, and I forgot how easy it is to use pencils to do your brows. Like, I don't know who told me about pomades, and ever since pomades I haven't looked back, and it's just like I really forgot like how easy and how quick I can do my brows with some pencils. Anyways, now it's time to move on to the eye look. For the eye look, I'm going to use Jamaican colors, like I said, so black, green, and gold. As far as the gold, I'm leaning more towards yellow, not really gold, because when you do look at the flag, it just looks yellow, not necessarily gold. So yeah, let's just jump right in. For my base, I'm going to use my LA Girl Pro Conceal in Porcelain. It's a really, 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 really white concealer. First, I'm gonna set the brow with my NC50 Studio Fix powder from MAC. The first transition color I'm going in with is yellow. I'm just packing it in and then blending it up. The next color I'm going in with is orange, and I'm just going to pack that in and then blend it up. I'm now gonna go in with a dark brown with a different brush because this is not doing it. I don't know what happened with the left eye, but you guys can see, there you go. You guys can see like it's applying patchy at the end. Like, I don't know what's going on there, but I do not approve of this message, okay? I do not fucking approve. I don't know what's going on, but yeah. Honestly, I'm just gonna have to cut the crease to hide it because I'm not taking it off. I'm just going to hide my problems. I am now deepening the crease. This is not a black. It's, you know what? If it looks black to y'all, I'm gonna say it's black, but in the palette, it doesn't look black. To cut the crease, I'm going to use that same LA Girl concealer in Porcelain. I intentionally like wanted a bigger eye, so I'm going to draw it slightly above where my natural crease is. Now I'm going to pack on yellow, then green and black on the outer corner. I went ahead and did the same thing that I did in the crease under the eyes. I also decided I think I want to add a little bit of gold liner because it is gold, so why not? This liner that I'm going to use is this no-name brand. Nope, it's Chinese. Hangfang. I think that's how you say it, Hengfong Cosmetics. Yeah, let's use that. I'm in the middle of doing it. So I went ahead and applied the liner to both lashes, and I applied mascara. Yeah, I did not mean to be so dramatic. Like, honestly, I don't know how I end up. I don't know how I got here. But I'm here. As I wait for the lash glue on these lashes to dry, we can go ahead and start on the lips. For a liner, considering the last video and that I struggled so much with liner, listen, we're gonna use a lipstick as a liner today. This is a Kylie matte lipstick in True Brown. For lipstick today, I'm going to use the Rimmel London lipstick in Airy Fairy. This is so moisturizing. It feels kind of like a gloss. It's very, very moisturizing. So both my lashes are on. I think I want to add just a bit of gloss in the center. So I'm going in with, what is this? NYX Butter Gloss in Creme Brulee. This gloss, I like, the color is so, like, what's the word? Sheer? Yeah, like, it's just a nice glossy center. Okay, fine. Apply it all over the damn lip, okay? So that is it for today's tutorial. Let me know what you guys think down below. Are we feeling the eye, the face, or just a good old regular nude lip? Like, are we feeling it? What do we like most? I don't know about you guys, but it's the representation for me. My name is Kristen. Thank you for watching today's video. If you are new here, welcome, welcome, welcome. Go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe before you head on out. And if you are not new here, thank you for coming back for another video. Don't forget to share this look so you know everyone else can represent. Bye guys.